What up, everybody? What's today? Today's Wednesday. It ain't Wednesday, man. 2 Fridays from now, it's gonna be Christmas. But first, on Friday, we're gonna go see Star Wars. That's right. Kyle and I are gonna go see Star Wars, and the wifey is staying at home with the twins. Not very happy. She says, I owe her a Prada purse when I get home. But okay, I'm so excited to go see Star Wars. And I didn't want to leave my wife at home alone with the twins, because sometimes they're a lot of work. But she was cool with it, so thanks a lot, honey. She knows that I'm looking forward to this movie, and I'm trying to stay away from the internet. So hopefully no one will spoil it for me. So please, no one spoil the movie for anyone. So really appreciate it. Other than that, we're going to eat lunch. We're going to go to Toys R Us. We got to go to the bank, and I got to go to IKEA because I want to finish up my garage. I got to get some shelves. I've been lagging on it, and I really want to finish my garage because I want to make it to a game room for me and Kyle and the twins in the toy room. So that is our plan. So let's go ahead and record all of this, because I'm gonna try to do these vlog videos almost like every other day, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so if you guys do, make sure you get that like button. All right, so let's go and do our stuff, man. And we get my wife a Prada purse. All right, all righty. You know you want one. You know you want one. Oh.
Let's go. DJ Jean Paul's on the mix.
Wow, I just got you on camera saying that. Alright guys, we are done having lunch at this place. It's called Milakai. Now we're gonna go to Toys R Us, man. Go to Toys R Us, go and find the find twins their gift. Hopefully they don't see it. Like they know. Look what you got me. I got you a PS4. I'm gonna get Nathan a PS4. Like, wow, I wonder who's that for. Alright, so let's go to Toys R Us, find some gift, and then we'll go to IKEA, and then we're gonna pick up homeboy from school.
Jean Paul's.
Alrighty, look at Nathan's face. He looks just like Kyle. Just like Kyle 2.0. Kyle reboot. Alrighty, so we gotta get some stuff. And still have this thing, man. Lego Dimensions, Toys R Us. That'd be cool. I get that, put that in the garage. Let us know. Oh, it's nothing cool. All the same old stuff. I already have all of it. I don't have this one yet. Hey, look at this. First time seeing this in a while. Nothing, no rare, man, no rare. Alrighty. Let's see what they got, man. I love coming here. Oh, look at this. I have this already. Look at this. I got this. Yeah, first time seeing it here. Some GI Joe. That's cool. $60. Dang, expensive. Anything? We're checking out the Star Wars, man. Can't wait for Friday. We're gonna watch it. We reserved our tickets in our seats. Darth Maul. Oh. I saw someone at Kylo Ren. I want to get Kylo Ren, man. Oh, dude, look at this. Only at Toys R Us. Oh, that's cool. Captain Phasma. Oh, here, look at this. Kylo Ren. Check out some Lego. Lego my egg roll. I really want this, man. Let's look like, how much is that? $160. Oh, snapples. They look sick. Alrighty, we got this at Target for
No, not that.
which one is it?
The two dogs.
The two dogs?
Two dogs that we bought yesterday.
Okay. Want you go get those or just get this? You still want to buy it? Buy the other two and then return the other ones. That's what we got to do. Can't just wait till buy it, return it, and then go here and buy it. You know what I'm saying, bro? Alrighty. Where is it? Oh, is that we got it? Yeah. Wow, it's $24.99 here?
Yeah.
Holy smokes, I could grab it. You want to come out? You want to get out? Ooh, these toys right here. Yeah, these remind me. These look like dog toys. They look exactly like dog toys. Hey, honey, I get you one of these. Remember? $130 for that. Oh my goodness. Try you. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, that's cool, man. It's only $100. Hey, yeah. Ho, 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 a Christmas show, and you ain't ham. Alright, we are leaving Toys R Us. It's got a little hiccup in there. Now we're gonna head home, grab some stuff. We gotta do some returns at Target because they overcharged us. And then we're gonna go to IKEA and buy some stuff finally for the garage. There's my wife right there. Alright guys, we are Chia. Chia. Look at Nathan. Look at Nathan. It's getting big. Huh? Alright, dude, get my stuff. We just already. Range Rover.
Seems like he likes it. He's big enough for it.
That's cute.
One Brian.
Look. Oh, shoot. I was stuck. now we're gonna get out of here, pay for the stuff, and then go pick up homeboy. We'll get ice cream, honey. Honey, get ice cream.
Don't forget your GoPro.
Tired. Alrighty, we are finally done with IKEA. Oh my goodness, I almost lost my car keys to the van. There was a scene where I jumped on the bed, and that's where I lost my car keys. But luckily I remembered. Whew, look, I remembered. Alright guys, we're all done. Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. We're gonna go pick up homeboy from school. And if you guys enjoy these types of vlogs, let me know. Hit the like button, comment how I can improve this vlog. Please, constructive feedback is greatly appreciated. And other than that, I will see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.